Did you miss me? Guess what time it is? It's Advent calendar time, and yes, we're almost there, folks. It's almost Christmas Day. But until then, we are going to open Christian Dior Advent calendar, and I'm going to have an English accent while doing it. Just kidding. I have heard horrible reviews so far, but we must check this out for ourselves. Let's do this, as they say. Okay, well, it's almost 3 in the morning here. Does this not look balanced? Does it look like it's missing some charms on here? Like, right? We're going to start by opening this beauty up. It's a beautiful box. So you would think, as this was a pricey bitch, we're going to start with numero uno. We have purifying foaming cleanser. That's all I'm going to say. And a sorry note that dear Madame, I'm so sorry that we gave you all our secondhand sample sizes. 2. Tiny 2. Say it ain't so. It's a lipstick. Full grown. Oh, and it's red. Shall I or shall I not? Oh, it's great, especially with 30 other layers of red. Numero 3. I'm thinking like my neighbors can hear me or something. It is really late. I already told you, I'm not kidding. We've got, this is broken, a broken ornament. Yay. It opens, folks. It opens. I mean, did anyone else know this when they opened up this advent calendar? I don't think so. I think I'm the only one that discovered this. I just broke it. Next, we've got number 4. Whoever made the box, chef's kiss. But whoever put the stuff inside the box, you're fired. Red nail polish. Okay. Is this a mini? I don't know. I get my nails done. I just got my nails done. Do we like them? Okay. Is it soap? I sure as hell hope not. Or is it blush that I already own? I'm going to put this as part of my next giveaway, which is coming up here soon. I'm going to be doing my December favorites. And you know what that means. Uncut and giveaway time. This is a great blush. It is their Rosy Glow Dior Backstage 001 Pink. Very pink. 6. We've got a serum. Maybe not sample, but mini, for sure, I would assume. I've never tried Dior's skincare. Can you see that without the reflection? Oxy Treatment Le Serum. Number 7. I have 75 of these. For free. Got it for free. Just saying. That's all I'm going to say. It deserves no other explanation. 8 better be great. I know I sound ungrateful, but for that much money, this was close to $1,000. What is this? It's getting worse and smaller. And this is a serum for your eyelashes. The Dior Show Maximizer 4D. And let me just say, it's disappointing with a capital D. What's been great so far has been one of the actual products, which is the red lip. When in doubt, just give us lipstick, like in every single one, right? This is a beauty content calendar. This is a beauty calendar. If I see another freaking ornament again that I have to open up and be like, oh my God, what am I, 5? I don't need this, guys. This is not. So you're telling me that this right here is worth what? $100? Because everything else, as far as products go, probably a total of $100, maybe. Next. Ooh, I already have this too. This is going to go in the next giveaway as well. I do love Dior's lip stains. It's not a hydrating lip stain, but it's beautiful. And clearly I have every color, so I love it. And I definitely lean more towards the drier side, so I still like it. And if I have to put gloss on top, so be it. Can't put it on now, but gorgeous. Number 11. You guys, not even a full size. This is just the mini, if not a sample size of their mascara. Come on. 2 ornaments as fillers? This is a beauty advent calendar, not a paper mache advent calendar. I really should have done this in ASMR, just saying, because my face says it all. This is not even perfume. This is like home perfume. Spray your pillows with. That's not considered beauty in my eyes. 14. I sound like a complainer. I sound like a spoiled brat, but once again spent a lot of money on this. This was hard-earned money, not well spent so far. This has weight. Good sign. This looks fancy. And this doesn't look like a sample size. This looks expensive. This is the Dior Prestige La Creme. A la creme. Has anyone ever tried this? I haven't. Can't wait to try it. This seems like it's worth it. Smells expensive. That's all that matters. 15. Sorry if this is a disappointment to you. Imagine if you paid for it. Okay, so I just bought a couple of things from Dior, like prior to this advent calendar, and every single time I buy something from them, even if it's just like their bronzer or just one little item, let's say, this is what I get. I have about 12 of these. This does smell good. It's probably men's cologne. Can't. No words. Okay, so this is their Dior Addict. I do love their little, their lip peptide or oils. This just doesn't really do anything for me. 17. It's another nail polish. Perfect for the holidays, though. It's gold. Yeah. Is it multi-use? Can I put it on my cheeks? Can I use it as highlighter? Probably not. So I don't need this. This will definitely be going in the giveaway. You guessed it. Yes. The amount of products that this brand has, and they keep giving us perfume or like random ornaments, is really disappointing. Not kidding. You would think that I was so excited to get this. I was like, yes, money. Not sold out. It's not sold out for this exact reason. Here, we've got another lipstick, which is great, but we're already at 19. It's not even a full size. It's a mini. Like, what? I'd rather take the Sephora over the Sephora advent calendar that tore in half, basically, but the products are way better than this. Anywho, you guys, disgusting. I just went into a temper tantrum. Excuse me. I'm back. A safety pin? Don't we already have this? Just saying. Is this not the same thing? Oh, one's darker than the other. Ooh. I hope it says, just kidding, your real advent calendar is coming next week, you know? We got weight to it. Ooh. Oh my god, I can do a bicep curl. What is this? Oh, but this looks nice. I mean, this is definitely not full size. This is a serum. And it's called the Dior Prestige La Micro Huile de Rose Activated Serum. Not bad, I guess. Like, I wouldn't mind getting a bunch of these over paper mache ornaments. It's a tiny one. Just kidding. Oh, you've got a gloss. Okay, I have this. I'm not going to test it. I'm going to give this away. I already have it. This is their Dior Addict Lip Maximizer, I think. Beautiful. Love it. Enjoy. Last but not least, thank the Lord Jesus. It's like watching paint dry. Sorry. Is this perfume? Or like a full-size perfume? Fun. Very scenty. It's a candle. Smells good. Yay. Would have loved like 5 lip glosses. Would have loved 5 bronzers. Would have loved more lipsticks. Is this worth it? Absolutely not. Save your money. Merry Christmas. And hopefully we end on a high note when I open up and unbox the next advent calendar. Stay tuned for that because it'll be the finale, the last one. Thanks, guys. Hope you were entertained at least. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification, comment below, and tell me how atrocious this was. Yeah. Cheers. Let's flip it right side up. That would help. Salmon sperm. It's a thing. I'm not trying to be funny, but I'm pretty sure this is what this is. Should have done the ASMR one now. Oh well, too late. Why did I throw the box?